Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue delays when switching between apps. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Under about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find drawing section. See, under drawing you can find window animation scale. Select it. By default this would be 1x. We can change this to 0.5x or turn off for better performance. Let me turn off. Then go to transition animation scale. This also I am going to turn off. Then go to animated duration scale. This also we can turn off or change to 0.5x. Done. Then you can check. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.